Puffy face in the morning, let's fix it in just 10 minutes. This face massage helps reduce puffiness and improves the jawline definition. We start from the collarbone. This is a very important step. It opens drainage while you tap onto your collarbone. You should do it every day even if you are not massaging your face. Now, starting from the ear, here, place your fingers like this. The forefinger should be behind your ear. Sweep from the ear to the neck down slowly to the clavicle. This movement removes the fluid buildup. As the fluid accumulates on your face, it becomes swollen. It looks puffy. Now we will work on our SCM. Place your finger, middle finger on inside your ear here like this, and as you turn, you will be able to grab this muscle. This is SCM, the sternocleidomastoid, and breathe. Hold on to it and breathe. So pulling from the ear up, breathe. This releases the fluid retention and makes space for the blood to flow around in your face. You will feel extremely relaxed after doing this movement. Consistency is the key. Don't forget to do it every day. When it comes to face massage, if you are consistent enough, you will definitely see the results. Grab it here. And breathe. We come back. Repeat. Now massage your sternocleidomastoid like this. This should not be stiff at all. This movement removes the stagnant fluid around your neck, your face, under your eyes, from everywhere. You will see the results immediately if you do it consistently. Follow along. Keep doing it with me. Save this video if you wake up every morning with swollen face, puffy eyes. Now we'll work on our jawline starting from down. Keep your thumb here and go like this towards your ear, and we massage our scalp like this. Alright, let's get started. I was just showing you the movement. Never keep your neck this way while you are doing your jawline. Keep it normal, back. Don't keep it front, just back and press. Press and move. Glide towards your earlobes. Go all the way towards the scalp, behind the scalp. Grab your hair, not too tight. Just grab it and move. This way you're opening up all the stagnant fluid not only on your face but also working on your scalp, which contributes in the fluid retention. So it is extremely important that you do this movement for an instant lift and reducing puffiness. There are more than one reason why your face is getting puffy. We'll get into it once we are done with this movement. Wow, it feels so relaxed, so open. Hold on to your chin like this and we will glide, making a hook out of these two fingers and glide up. Go to your ear and glide down to your sternocleidomastoid, gliding down to the clavicle. And we repeat. Be slow and gentle, and don't move your neck in front. Just keep it in the position where it belongs. In order to put too much pressure, we tend to do like this. Oh, no. Relax and move. You have to apply pressure only with your hands, your fingers, and go down. Amazing, right? Feels extremely amazing. The other side. Relax your neck, relax your shoulders. Glide up and glide down through your sternocleidomastoid and move to the clavicle. Glide down. Good. Don't do like this in order to put too much pressure. Oh, I'm not getting that pressure. No need. This much pressure is enough for your face and neck. Wow, that feels so open up and so good. Moving on to our next movement, which is my favorite, which is my go-to movement. Let's get started. Starting on from here, we lift and we glide down through the cheekbones and hold on to the temple, and we go on the opposite direction, lifting and draining. How amazing is that? Let's keep doing it. Let's go on to the next. This side, lift and drain at the same time. So we tend to apply too much pressure and we tend to get our neck and our face forward, which is not good. So keep check on that. So keep a check on that every time you do the movement, because that is also as important as the movement you are doing to get rid of puffiness, getting rid of swollen face. Our postures contribute so much what's going on our skin. So we have to keep a check on our posture every time, each second, and only concentrate on yourself. So as I said, there are multiple reasons why you feel puffy, why your face is swollen in the morning, and you get up every morning and you suffer this swollen puffiness under your eyes or all over your face or your body. Following a simple lymphatic drainage massage in your day-to-day life or 3 to 4 times a week will help you get rid of puffiness and swollen face. The key step is the neck drainage. Even if you are working on your neck and not the whole face, it only takes 2 minutes to do the neck massage, which I have just shown you. And also you can go through the tutorials which I have previously on this channel, and I'll also mention them in the description below for the tips which I have also shared, the skincare tips. They are extremely beneficial, they are so important. Along with the face massage, you also have to take care of your body naturally. That is how you get rid of all the problems on your skin. The food plays a major role. Reduce your salt intake. If you are observing that your body becomes puffy or your face is swollen every morning you get up, reduce your salt intake, and with this massage you will feel your face getting lighter immediately. Every day when you do it, you will feel that you are removing the puffiness and the blood have instantly started flowing. And you can also go through my glow video. If you haven't already subscribed my channel, do subscribe it and share it to as many people as you can, because it will only help them get rid of all the skin problems. Keep pampering. Bye.